Hi guys, welcome to the series of learning systematic trading. Okay, in this series, we will understand what is trading, type of tradings, and what is discrimination trading, what is systematic trading. Okay, what are the importance of psychology you need to be a profitable trader, and risk management, and what is the exact method, what is the perfect method for profitable trader. Okay, in order we will understand everything in videos. Okay, I will try to summarize everything. Okay, let's today understand what is trading. Okay, in this video, trading is the act of buying and selling a financial instrument like stocks, currencies, or future and options. Okay, buy bullish entry. What is buying? Buy trade, when traders will buy the any stock or any options or any futures. That is called bullish trade. Okay, a trader believes a stock or the overall market will go higher or up. He will buy the instrument. Like his views was, if any particular stock will move higher, he will buy the price at price, and he will make the profit once the price has risen. Okay, if price has risen, he will sell the stock and he will book the profits. If price has fallen below, he will make the loss. Like here, I will show you for understanding purpose. Like if a stock is going up, stock is going up. Okay, this is the stock. Here it's going up. Then a trader thought that the stock is, the overall market is going up only. He will buy the instrument here. He will buy. Once the price has risen, he will sell here and he will book the profit. This is the profit he will book, this much. Okay, once the price has fallen here, if then he will book the loss here. He will book the loss. This is called buy trade. This is trader views will be buying only when it's in uptrend. Okay, then what is short selling? What is bearish trade? In in market, in trading, the great opportunity that for traders or for investors also, when the market is rising, you can make money also. When market is falling, there is also opportunity to make money. Okay, that is called short selling, that is bearish trade. Okay, by short selling, you will sell the stock at higher price. Once the price has fallen, you will book the profit by buying below. That is called reverse trade of buying trade. Okay, let's, a trader views was a stock or the overall market will go lower, he will sell the instrument. His views was market is the particular stock, particular option, future will go lower, his views, then he will sell the higher price. And if price fallen below that price, he will make a profit. If price rises, he will book the loss. Right, the opposite of buying trade. Like this, if a stock is coming down, coming down only, it's making lower low, lower low only. Then here he understand that trader, this is a downtrend, the stock is going down only, then he will sell here. And if it's fallen low, he will buy here and he will make the profit here. Okay, this is called short selling. If the price has taken support and it bounce here, it will go up, then he will make the loss here. He will book the loss by buying above. Okay, this is called short selling. Right, let's understand types of trading. Okay, there are few types of trading. First one, scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading, and investing. Okay, we can understand one by one. What is scalping? Scalping is his holding period of or his entry exiting period is only seconds or minutes only. Scalper, he will enter the trade within a fraction of second, and within a fraction of seconds also he will exit the trade. He is called scalper. His trade ends within seconds and minutes only. Okay. Then what about day trader is? Day trader is his holding period is maximum within a day only he will end the trades. Okay, within day only he will enter the trade, he will exit the trade. Whatever the act of buying and selling of any stocks or particular instrument, he will end within the same day only. Okay, is called day trading. Then what about swing trading means? Swing traders, holding period of swing trader is max 1 week, 2 weeks, and few days also. Okay, few days also they will hold, and weeks also they will hold. Those are called swing trader. Okay, what about positional traders? Positional traders are those positional traders views of holding is 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Till 1 year also they can hold. 1 year, 2 years also. Okay, 1 year, 6 months, 5 months. These type of traders are called positional traders. Then investors are holding period about investors is years only. They will not trade in, they will not exit the stock or particular instrument in 6 months or weeks or year also. They will hold the particular instrument for 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Those are called investors. Okay. Broker, there are few discount brokers. Okay, though in this list I will give preference to the zeros and abstracts. Why? Because they have super user friendly trading interface. Okay, you can easily buy the stock, you can easily sell the stock. Okay, and also they have less brokerage charges. Okay, that is very very important. If you are earning small, then everything is you are paying for brokerage only. That's not any sense. Okay, this platform is very helpful for beginners and you want to try trading, learn trading. Use this platform for your trading purpose. Okay, if you want to open the accounts in these brokers, links are given in bio also, or else directly you can create an account with browsers also. Okay, by searching the name Zerodha and abstracts. Okay, thank you. Just recap the what we learn in this framework. Okay, first we understand what is trading, and after we understand what is buy trade, when traders will buy. Okay, and how they make money by buying, and when traders will sell, when they how they make money by selling. Okay, and what are the different type of tradings. Okay, then brokers. Okay, there are the free discount brokers. Okay, we have discussed about this. Okay, in the next coming video we will discuss important about systematic trading and discrimination trading. Okay, in next video is very very important. You will learn everything about systematic trading. Okay, until you subscribe this channel. Thank you.